Making your girl feel happy and loved is not expensive or difficult. Give her a massage, kiss and hug her whenever possible, do the dishes and other things that make her happier and love you. Watch until the end of the video to find out more about what makes your crush happy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. 14 things to do make your girlfriend happy. 1. Send her a greetings message. Sending a nice good morning text message to your girlfriend would brighten her day. You might just greet her in the morning, or write a sweet note expressing your gratitude for her presence in your life. 2. Breakfast is her favorite meal, so make it for her. When her significant other prepares food for her, she is overjoyed. And if it's her favorite breakfast, her joy will be limitless. Breakfast is frequently the most important meal of the day, and she will be delighted to wake up to her favorite breakfast prepared by her favorite person. 3. Gift her flower. The significance of many flowers vary. If you're a man of few words, who wants to make his girlfriend happy and cherished, giving her various types of flowers is a terrific way to do it. The sunflower can be used to describe the soothing and cheerful sensation you get when you gaze at your partner, while the rose is a sign of love and affection. Your girlfriend will also be reminded of your thoughtful gesture every time she looks at the flower bouquet in her room. 4. In public, take her hand. Holding your girlfriend's hand in public gives her a sense of security and protection. Furthermore, such a public demonstration of affection will make her pleased, as she will realize that you are fortunate to have her. 5. Give her small but meaningful gifts. You don't have to spend a lot of money on your girlfriend to make her happy. Giving her small items that will assist her in her daily activities is also a thoughtful and meaningful gesture. It can mean a lot to her if you give her an earbud when she needs it, or socks that keep her feet warm and snug. 6. Organize a weekend getaway for her. A little break might sometimes help you and your partner relax. And what better time to do it than after a long week at the office? You can arrange a weekend escape to a location where you and your partner can relax and enjoy one another's company. 7. Prepare the dishes. Believe it or not, every woman in the world appreciates it when her significant other helps her with household duties. Put on those gloves and wash all the dishes, if you really want to make your partner happy. 8. Whenever possible, kiss and hug her. All day long, give your sweetheart numerous hugs and kisses. Girls adore receiving unexpected kisses and hugs from their lovers, which makes them feel special, appreciated, and content. 9. Compliment her. Every female feels valued when she receives compliments. When you see something nice about your girl, whether it's her smile or the way she smells, compliment her frequently. These compliments will undoubtedly bring her joy. 10. Share things with her. Without hesitation, share everything with her, from your sweater to your secrets. This gesture will make her feel unique and show her that you want to spend the rest of your lives with her. Being open and trustworthy with her will help her to be open and trustworthy with you, which will benefit both of you and your relationship. 11. Take care of her. A woman will never refuse to be pampered. Whatever she enjoys, give her chocolates, small presents, and other nice surprises. You don't have to go all out and spend a fortune to spoil her. Little things can have a big impact. 12. Stay loyal to her. In this day and age, finding trustworthy people is difficult. Your partner may have dealt with a few cheaters in the past. You may make her feel safe and happy by demonstrating your love and loyalty to her. You can do this by publicly acknowledging your connection, or by being more transparent with her. 13. Say I love you to her frequently. I love you are the 3 words that are guaranteed to bring a grin to your girlfriend's face. In a relationship, these 3 words are everything. To make her day even more memorable, tell her how you feel about her or surprise her with unexpected "I love you." When a girl's lover confesses his love for her on a regular basis, she is ecstatic. It is not expensive nor difficult to make your girl feel joyful and appreciated. You only need to make small but romantic acts to bring happiness into her life. Surprise her with your lovely and romantic gestures, and we guarantee she will like it.